Let me move on now to the lunar month. While the Earth is going around the Sun, one time every 365.242199 days, the Moon is also going around the Earth in a regular cycle every 29.5305889 days. And as the Moon goes around the Earth, it shows a different face to people on the Earth. When the Moon is between the Earth and Sun, we don't see the Moon because of the Sun's brilliance, but we couldn't have seen it anyway because the face of the Moon is entirely in shadow. But as the Moon moves around the Earth, it gets to a point on the side of the Earth with respect to the Sun, where the right face of the Moon is lit up and the left face is dark from the perspective of the Earth. That's a half moon. Then we get around to where the Earth is between the Moon and the Sun, and then the whole face of the Moon is lit up, and that's a full moon. And then we get around further, we see a half moon again, but now the left face of the Moon is lit up and the right face is dark. And it goes along again until the whole face of the Moon is dark. As the Moon is getting smaller, from full to disappearing, there's a place where you can see a little bit of light on the edge of the Moon. That's a crescent moon. Then once again it passes the Sun and you start to see a little bit of light on the edge of the Moon again. And that's the new evening crescent, which is used as the start of the month in the Muslim calendar and in most calendars that go by the lunar month. So the lunar month, as I said, is 29.5305889 days. By the length of the lunar month and the length of the solar year, it's determined that the Moon goes round the Earth 12 times in the course of one time of the Earth going around the Sun. So there are 12 months in a year. But it doesn't go around exactly 12 times. If you multiply the length of the lunar month by 12, you come up with a number of 354.36707 days in 12 lunar months. That's how long it takes for the Moon to go around the Earth and show its same shape 12 times. And the solar year is 365.242199 days long. If you subtract one from the other, you'll find that the solar year is longer than 12 lunar months by 10.87512 days, which is about 10 days and 21 hours and a few seconds.